Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, I'll be solving this Waec past question 2020 for you. Given that x is directly proportional to y, y past question, you will see that the options given, you will need to solve something. Now, how do we get started? First of all, let us interpret this statement of proportionality. Getting into the solution, x is directly proportional to y. That is, x directly proportional to y and inversely proportional to z. So if it is inverse, it will be 1 all over z. Inversely proportional to z. So when x is directly proportional to y and directly proportional to x, then we can just remove the sign of proportionality and put equal sign. So that means that x is equal to k. Once we remove the sign of proportionality, we introduce our constant. So there is a constant at which this occur. So x is equals to k multiplied by y multiplied by 1 all over z. So x is equals to k y all over z. But this is not just the final answer. We need to find the value of k so that we can definitely find the equation connecting x, y, and z. So how can we get the value of k? That is, we have to make k the subject of the formula. So making k the subject of the formula, since x is equals to ky all over z. So what we'll do is cross multiply. When we cross multiply from here, it becomes x multiplied by z equals to k multiplied by y, and divide both sides by y. So when you divide both sides by y, the value of k is equal to when x multiplies z and divide by y. So remember the value given to us in the question. They say x is equal to 15 when y is equal to 10, z is equal to 4. So x is equal to 15 multiplied by z is equal to 4 and y is equal to 10. So 15 multiplied by 4 gives 60, and then divided by 10. 60 divided by 10 is exactly 6. So the constants that connect the xy the xyz is 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 yz. So anyhow the options are given, you must be able to find a parameter that is equal to this relation. So to see that it's written like this, that x is equal to 6y all over z, or you write x multiplied by z is equal to 6y, or you say y, this is also correct. So or you say y x z all over 6. So just by dividing both sides by 6, so we have been able to find another equation connecting all of them. So this is the answer to the questions that was asked in the past question. I hope you understood everything we did in this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.